Hello everyone, welcome you all after a long time. Today I am going to unbox MIVI Roam Bluetooth speaker, which is a 5 watt Bluetooth speaker. As you all know, I am a very big fan of MIVI products because of its quality. MIVI guys doesn't compromise with the quality, I think so, because those MIVI products are fabulous in terms of quality up to the price. So the MIVI Roam box comes like this. I purchased it from Flipkart. So in MIVI the Bluetooth speaker range got quite interesting. It starts from MIVI 0, next to Roam, next to Moonstone, and next to Octane, which comes with 3 watt, 5 watt, 10 watt and 16 watt respectively. So we have here MIVI Roam, which is a 5 watt Bluetooth speaker, and it has quite special features also. So let us see in the box. So let's just cut the plastic wrap. Even the packaging is simple and looks premium. I already unboxed many both products, both speakers, but nothing to degrade or debrand the both. But I feel that MIVI is very worth for money. It's my point of view, that's all. So let's just unbox this. What we get is the first, I think, thank you card like that. So we hope you enjoy our product something. So yeah, we enjoyed your product MIVI. So what else we get in the box? First of all, we get our main product, that is Bluetooth speaker, and next USB cable for charging purpose, aux cable for connection with the Bluetooth, and a user manual, which I will suggest some people who don't know or new to the Bluetooth system, just go through it once. You will find it is easy. So let's just keep this all aside and let's take a hands-on on our main product. So let's have a physical overview. So the base of this product is some rubbery text, and the upper portion of the body is a cloth-like material. It looks premium in hand, and those threads that come out of the speaker is something unique. So these are the physical button, embedded physical buttons. So we have power button, volume up and volume down button, and even pause and play button, which also used for call attending or dropping the call. So in the holes in the vent we have micro USB port and 3.5mm jack. So this is IP67 rating, so it means it can resist splash and some minor water depths. So now we have to connect Bluetooth. So first of all, let's turn on the Bluetooth in our device, which is mobile phones or even laptops or even PCs. So I have a mobile here. I will turn on my Bluetooth. Next, I will press the power key in the speaker for 5 seconds, and then it will show a blue signal light. That means it is activated and ready to pair. Next, we will have this MIVI Roam name in our Bluetooth control device. So this interference is nice, connected and call and media something. 70% battery remaining. It's very useful then. The battery percentage of the device will be shown in the Bluetooth information. So let's make a sound test. Sound test with NCS due to copyright policies. Yes guys, non-copyright solution is a solution for avoiding copyrights. So let me play and take a look. So guys, I will suggest you to use a headphone because the sound which is played from this device is also again recorded with the camera device. So it may not be 100% perfect, but you will get an idea how the sound is. So the pros and cons will be in the description. Do check it out. And if you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. That's it for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.